Alright guys, so right now we are in a 13 Ford Transit Connect with the 4-cylinder obviously. Going to be replacing the fan. This is a complete assembly. It takes together the whole radiator. There's two fans on one. The reason being is it started making a loud noise, and the fan blade or the fan itself, they just disintegrated on the bigger side, so the car started overheating a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. So for now we're going to try to disconnect whatever we can. Now this fan has to go out through the bottom because the top radiator support, you cannot just get it out. You have to disassemble the whole front clip of the car. So we're gonna have to replace it through the bottom. See, there's gonna be a few wires and stuff that we gotta unclick. Like this one itself. This is the resistance for the heat for the fan speed. So basically, this is the one that gives the speed to the fan. So you want to take that off because most likely you're gonna have to put this on the new fan. Now this one is already breaking apart. It's been there for a minute. Don't forget to put that back on. Let's see what else we got here. Here we got this wire here. Okay, let me see if I can get a flashlight real quick. I don't know if you guys can see much in there. Alright, so I don't know if that helped. Probably not, but alright, so so we got this wire here, which is the speed, and we got this wire here, which is for the fan on this side. And it looks like the plug. Okay. So the plug is right underneath here on the bottom. Okay. So that's disconnected. What else? There's gonna be a plug on the fan on this side. If you look at the fan on the bottom, it's gonna be a plug on there as well. I'll disconnect that. And now we just gotta look for the screws that hold it. So from up here, there's nothing, it's just a guidance, a little guide on it. So most likely we're gonna have screws on the bottom. Alright. So let me see if I can get you guys on there so you can see where the screws are at. Alright, so now we are underneath. You can see that one nut right there. And we have another one right here. Okay. So those are 10 mils, I'm pretty sure. And then on top is just a slide out. And then this is the plug that I was telling you about on the motor itself. So you can get it from down here easier. We're gonna have to move it out of the clip there that holds it. And I think that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna have to slide the fan towards us. So away from the radiator towards the engine and then down. I think up and then down. So let me try to see if I can fit the tripod in here so you guys can see that movement, how it is. Alright, you're back. Alright guys, so You can see somewhat. So let me take care of those two nuts real quick. Yeah, that one's gonna have to be with that stage and a swivel. All right. All right. You remove that cable. Now we should be able to go up. Okay. And then we gotta play with these hoses here. There we go. All right. That's that. So let me unbox the new one and I'll be right back. Okay, so out of the box, we got the new fan. Now this one, I noticed it has the resistance already integrated. Well, not integrated. We bolt on, but it has one. So you don't have to really swab anything in. So now we're gonna go in the same angle we took it out. Okay. And then we're gonna make sure that on top we line it up first. Okay. There we go. We got it lined up. We are going to connect that plug to the fan. Okay. And again, down here, we got the nut on this side. The nut on this other side. We're gonna tie them up before we forget. Okay. Onto this side. Okay. Now we can go on top. Everything down here is secure. So we can connect the top plugs. Alright. We're back, guys. Alright, guys. So in here, again, we have the speed resistance, the resistor. And so you won't be needing this no more. And then on this corner here, we got the plug for the other side, for the other fan. Let me go ahead and make sure that we click this. Okay, it's clicked. And the fan is in. It's that simple. Just gotta lift up the car to get it done. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start the car, turn the AC on, make sure that everything gets up to temperature, and the both fans start kicking in. Alright guys, really the hardest part was to lift the car up in the air. Anyways, like always, share, like, subscribe, help me help you. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And always, it's you do it at your own risk. Make sure that you put, the e-brake on, the jack stands or whatever, the jack or whatever that you put multiple security before you get underneath the car. But yeah, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.